Looking back. 1. Listen and repeat the questions, paying attention to the rising intonation.
1. Do you know that global warming is increasing?
2. Did you turn off the light before you left home?
3. Can we really reduce the carbon footprint of our homes?
4. Are you aware of the dangers of plastic bags on the environment?
5. Have you seen the Young Voices for the Planet films?
2. Listen and mark the rising intonation on the echo questions. Then practice reading the exchanges.
1.
Plant for the Planet helped plant 12 billion trees worldwide.
12 billion trees worldwide?
2.
Even when turned off, electronic devices use energy.
Yes, they can still use energy.
3.
Cutting down on energy use is the best way to help reduce global warming.
The best way to do what?
4.
Global warming has catastrophic effects on humans.
Global warming has what on humans?
5.
A single tree can absorb about 1 ton of carbon dioxide during its lifetime.
How long can a tree live?